I'm so happy. I didn't get my gifts yet, but I'm gonna get FC 26 and my first goalie gloves. Now we ain't playing GD because we are playing the Forge. I got Dragonborn. I'm so happy that I got Dragonborn. I was like screaming when I got it. I'm so happy. Now we're gonna grind in the Forge, of course, cause I got the sword and it's so good. I got like mithril pickaxe. I just love it, bro. I just love this game so much because you can grind, do anything. Like, this is so cool. And it actually has a lore. And we're trying to get to level 70 to unlock the new island. And that's the main goal of this stream. Got the new promo codes. It's so beautiful. Oh, the pyromancer. Wait. I'm gonna cook him right now. I know how to do it. Bro. Yes, sir. I got like uranium for the first time. No, this Don would be stepping away like he's scared. He's just scared. Like, don't lie to me. So happy, bro, to be back here. No. Just don't shut your bitch ass up. Nah. I'm actually kinda like good in this game now. No. I'm actually really good in this. I got a 95 sword, like 95 damage sword. It was like an 86 when I was 95. I got like this armor with 73 defense. I don't want to upgrade it yet because I want to make a new helmet out of quartz. So let's do it now. But maybe new leggings because I love this white color. It just looks so good. I don't know why. Please. Oh. Let's sell some of these because I don't need most of them. Oh, he got the same armor. Nice. So, yes. Quartz and this one. I'm gonna sell this one and this one because they don't look too bad. Maybe I'll upgrade. Oh, why am I selling these with like those perks? Let me sell my items first. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. No. Hell no. Hell no. I ain't selling none of these. I'm selling all of these. Except deal. I'm gonna craft those later. I just gotta detach those and attach them to this one. If it even has, no it doesn't. Let's upgrade the armor so we can put a rune on it. Wait, does it cost, wait, shipping or does it cost money to rune? I mean to enhance. Does it cost money or not? Nah, it doesn't. I don't know why, but why's everybody trying to find me like out here? I ain't messing with any. Well, yeah. 84. Like this guy just came asking if he's because like you know, in my country there's a lot of these guys. I'm gonna like translate it because I don't know what it is. A gipsy or what? A gipsy or a Rome or I don't know. Like these type of guy, like they're from Azerbaijan, like Georgia and Armenia. Like most of them are, and bro, literally, like I know a lot of my friends are Gipsy or whatever this is. This guy comes up to him like, "What's up? Like you wanna go? Like, hell, no, I ain't messing with anyone." I know I'm stronger than him. It's like he's like 10 years old. I don't know what this guy trying to do with me. I ain't fighting nobody. I'm getting in a lot of trouble. And this time I got two brothers. I ain't messing with them. Like I'm not dumb. What is this? What did I? What did that guy was trying to prove? Like he's he was trying to prove that he's a bub and he trying to fight everybody. I'm sure he did, cause he, this, my friend said he goes he does boxing for like 2 months. I was like, I mean that's why he's like he's acting like this, cause all the people that are going to box, judo, or anything else, they trying to show it off by just touching random people. What the fuck? He's like hitting my shoulder. I was like, no, that ain't here. He's like, let me hit it stronger. He's like, I'm gonna hit it stronger next time. Like, shut the fuck up, bitch. Like, I was holding back until he said something about my parents. I was holding back. I don't want to fight nobody. Then another guy trying to join me. I ain't fighting nobody. I don't care. You can say whatever I want. Whatever you want. I'm scared. I'm something. I'm a bug. I didn't find him. I don't fucking care. Bitch, I went to judo for 6 years. I'm not trying to flex it. I mean, I'm flexing it right now, but what did that guy was trying to prove? That he got like his brothers and they're gonna kick my ass? Probably not. You know why? Because I'm gonna call the police. I have a whole. I just asked. He looks like one. Like, what is wrong with, like, that's why I want to move back to Canada. I just don't know if I want to. Then another guy, they were like, it's a like, you know, a soccer stadium, like those small soccer stadiums, like for kids and everything. So we go there to train with my friend every day. There were those guys that were playing in it, not soccer, but making, I don't know, like some castle out of snow, and I tripped over it, and then I just pushes me, and I was like, what the fuck you trying to do? And I was like, I did it. It wasn't on purpose. And he said, like, we have like this thing when if somebody's like very rude, they always say, if it's if if it's not on purpose, I'm gonna hit you on purpose, like this thing. But it rhymes in my language. This time I'm just trying to say, what if I hit you in the leg? Not on purpose. I was like, no, this is gonna be on purpose. You just told me that you're gonna do it. That means it's on purpose. Like, what is wrong with people in Ukraine? They're like fucking angry as fuck. Like, I don't understand it. I mean, Russia is nothing different though. It's basically like we're sharing the same problem. What the fuck? What did I do to that guy? What did I do? I just don't know. What the? It's just so weird. I didn't even touch nobody. Didn't even talk trash about his parents. Didn't even say he's a fucking bitch ass dumbass. Anyway, we're one Death Axe skeleton away from finishing Captain Rowan 4. Finally, a Rivalite. I want to make a Rivalite sword, colossal sword. I love colossal swords because they do a lot of damage. If you actually like do them right. Come on, where's the Death Axe? Where's the Death Axe? Oh, this bitch. I fucking hate it. Do not touch me. Is there a bomber? Or is there a bomber that this deep into the cave? This guy's killing me. I just like don't understand Ukraine now. It's like my home country. And those dumbasses act like they're fucking monkeys. I don't know. Like, if you wanna hate on Ukraine, just hate on Ukraine. I don't fucking care. They're fucking bitches. They're bobs. Just do what you want. What do we need to do? Next, I'm gonna get a light pickaxe. Wow. I'm gonna have a 12% discount because not only we got a Dragonborn, wait. Rivalite. Wait, dagger. What else? What did I kill? Oh, Reaper. And I killed a Reaper? Hell no. And yeah. Just hate on them. They're I don't know. Just hate on Ukraine and Russia and something. I don't know. Just hate on anyone you want. I don't fucking care. I don't give a fuck. I'm from this country. I know those bitches are fucking angry because you say Russia is better. They're trying to fight because they want to box for 2 trainings. They had like 2 boxing trainings. They're like, what's up? You wanna fight? Like, just ignore them. Just trash talk my country. I don't fucking care no more. They're bitches. I don't know why. So, what did I want to do? Oh, I gotta go to Captain Rowan. I just don't know. Like, why is my country like this? Like, you wanna think like, yeah, Ukraine is a beautiful country. Hell no. It's not a beautiful country. If you're gonna live in Ukraine, you're fucking bitches. I understand it's a war, but who fucking cares? He's always in the middle of preparations. Yo, this is gonna be easy. How much? How much did he gave us? Oh hell no! That's a W. No. Let's 15. Oh, shit, 50. Damn. Solving a mystery that doesn't. Oh my days, this is so annoying. It's show I would hate to live in. Yeah, I mean this one is cringe and I'm freaking stuck there with this fucking psycho of a clown or something. I don't know, it's freaking cringe. You're gonna be cringing there every freaking day. Crushed, cancer, hanged, hanged, hanged. I don't wanna watch this. This is just, I don't know why, but I just don't want. Why? She built an AI? What the fuck? What the? Wait.
Can't trust your AI results? Let Borium sift through 100.
I've always wondered how an AI can just look at what you're saying and know exactly what to say in response. I mean, I know the basics, like predict the next word, but how does it actually work? What math does it do? Well, I was listening to a TED Talk, and the guy said that an engineer will figure out how a car works by taking it apart and rebuilding the whole thing, seeing how it works each step of the process. So, I decided I'm gonna make my own AI.
And you can't even code. I have to get some food, y'all. I just can't. I'm hungry. Oh. Bro, I don't know if he's gonna ban me for this, but I said hate and like like you hate on my own culture. Like I don't. Well, so YouTube knows there are a lot of these like angry ass people. I don't know why. There are so many kind people. Kids here, no, they be angry because of some your mama joke. They'll be like, hey, you wanna fight? Like they're taking this shit seriously. I don't know what's wrong with them. Anyway, let's watch this.
But there was one problem. I don't know how to code. You see, when you make an AI, you have to go through many processes like coding Python scripts, uploading data sets, running it on GPUs. It all costs a lot of money. There's a lot of temperature, tension. But wait, there is a coding language that I do know how to code in. A language anyone can code in if they understand English. And that is Scratch. If you don't already know what Scratch is, it is a coding language that was made for teaching kids the basic skills of coding. So if you can understand English, you can code in it. See, look, it's so simple. When the flag click, move 10 steps. But because it's so simple, it has limitations. It's like trying to win a NASCAR race while riding a tricycle. But I don't really care, so in this video, I will show you how AI works by showing you how I made my own AI. So let's get right into it.
Actually, maybe I will make my own AI. That would be funny. Wait, you can make your own AI now because Gemini like makes those jam bots. So basically, you're an AI. You just gotta tell it what.
So the goal is to give the AI text, or the data set, and then based on the sentences that it has, it'll answer your questions. So the AI actually doesn't think in words, it thinks in numbers. So the first thing I'm going to have to do is convert all the words in the data set into numbers. So I put all the words into a list, so he defined yoga as the cessation, etc., and all the words over and over again, so that it can look at each word. Then the program can read through the data set and slowly add any new words to a certain list, and if the words that were there are already there, it will skip that. So it rewrites the whole data set as if no words were repeated. Then after that, we just assign a number to every single word. So the next step is the training. So let's say that the data set is technology is cool, MJ is cool, who is MJ? So this is the data set, and then it's separated into tokens because these is the data set with no words repeated. So we can start off training by looking at the first word, technology, and then so it's highlighted, and then it'll look for every single word that comes after technology. So the word that comes after technology is. So then it'll add under the token technology the word is. Then it'll move on to the next word, which is. So then it'll look at every single word that comes after is, which is cool, and MJ, and then it'll add that under the word is. And it'll do it for every single word in the whole entire data set. And then after that, it'll add it to a list. So the list will look something like this. So here's the token list, here's the transition list or the training list. So the word yoga, all the words that come after yoga are number 2 in the list and number 2400. And then all the words that come after is are number 3 in the list, number 56, number 62, number 41, etc. So then it does it for every single token. So we have 8,000 tokens, and then we have 8,000.
I'm gonna get my ramen. I'm gonna put like water in my ramen because my water was boiling. Oh. Okay, bro, I'm very thankful to my grandma because she did put water so my ramen like cooks instead of me doing it. Bro, it's my 3 decibels. Oh my days. No, come on. Yes.
Transitions. So that is basically how my AI is going to predict things. So now that we have data of every single word and every word that comes after it, if we have the word not, we can find it in the transitions list.
I don't even want to watch this. Why is it so boring? Can you go and writing PowerPoint? How will you even do? Oh, with AI? Of course, bro. C++. I watched some like those like videos about coding, and they say like C++ is the hardest language. Yeah. 6 AI work to make Fortnite from scratch. Now this
We have got to the point where literally anybody can build a fully working app without knowing how to code. This is
6 AIs will be working together to make Fortnite from scratch, from absolute zero with no game engine, all under 1 hour. So yes, this timer is going all the way up to an hour. That's a lot of time. Now this may take more than an hour and that's fine, but each AI has the maximum of 3 prompts before I move on to the next AI. And we're running this idea back because I honestly think these 6 AIs can make a one-to-one copy of Fortnite working together. We have ChatGPT 5.2 thinking model, Grok 4.1 in expert mode, Perplexity AI, which you guys keep recommending me, so I'm gonna use this video, DeepSeek AI, which is a Chinese AI model that is almost better than all these, and I need a VPN to run it, so just having this here took a lot of effort. Then of course we have Claude Opus 4.5, and to finish it all off we have Google Gen.
I watched videos with like deep sea, and it's dumb as hell, bro.
Gemini 3 Pro in the Google AI Studio, which it absolutely cooked up the last video. So let's just get right to it and start the timer. So I'm just telling ChatGPT 5.2 to make me Fortnite from scratch that I can play right now and that I could build upon, and to use any libraries necessary. And I'm just gonna tell it to make this prompt better, and I'm gonna give it back to itself, and I'll do that for each AI. So really what I need from ChatGPT is a good base here. Then I'll build upon it with Grok, which I'll just refine any errors, probably make the graphics better. Then Perplexity, which I'm actually in the dark about. I've never used it before. before, so this would be our first time. And DeepSeek, which is very powerful, can hopefully add functionality and more features to the game, and Claude 4.5 will really take it to the next level. And at this point, we should be having basic building features, I feel like, and then Google AI Studio will really just refine it all. All right, so it just finished making the prompt, so we're gonna paste it back in ChatGPT, and let's see what chat makes us. This is the first prompt, so if it doesn't do well here, it does have 2 more chances, but we can't use up all our time. Okay, all right, so ChatGPT is coding up a storm. It's finally getting to it. I really think ChatGPT is gonna take it home here. Like 5.1.
How do like they code, bro? This is like interesting. Like how do they even code so fast? Like if human coded it, how does it know how to code? You have to learn it how to code. How does like if you code it to know how to code, how does it even work? This doesn't make sense to me. I don't know why.
Wasn't a crazy improvement. 5.2 though is a crazy improvement. It's pretty good. And in terms of like figuring out the mathematics behind this stuff and using 3JS properly, it does a really good job at making like base models. So ChatGPT right now is honestly in the better of the 6 AIs that we're using, and it's good that we're using it first too. No way, it made a build system. If we have a build system on the first iteration, that's gonna be awesome. All right, so let's copy this and let's run it in VS Code, paste it, Fortnite clone HTML, and let's open this. Okay, so build plus battle prototype. I like what I see so far. Look at the background. I'm excited to click play. All right, let's play. Oh my god, what the heck is going on? Wait, I'm actually confused. Look at the background, bro. Are they all coming towards me? I guess I'm this like thing and I have to like run away from them, I guess, because like a battle royale. And I don't think I could leave the square. Okay, I just keep on dying. I'm losing HP. Is it because I'm like under the block? Okay, yeah, let's fix this. Second prompt. I like it though so far. It seems like something's going on. I just don't understand it fully yet. I told it that I keep losing health from the beginning, and it seems that I spawn under the ground, and I want my character model to be a little bit more humanoid. All right, just finished coding. Let's open it. Build plus battle prototype. I love the health and bars up here, by the way. Okay, play. Okay, it actually gave us a humanoid. Yo, this is fire. Okay, that guy killed me. All right, I'm kind of backwards though. When I press forward, it comes towards me. Shift is sprint. Okay, we can low-key kill them. Yeah, I keep dying because like when I go forward, it goes backwards. Backwards is forward. I think it's supposed to be oriented the other way. But so far, look at this though. I'm like Prime Ninja right now, bro. This is awesome. I'm Prime Tifu. What is he doing? Oh, it's a hell. All right, this is not ridiculous, bro. This is not ridiculous at all. I like this. This is a really good start. The fact that ChatGPT really cooked this all by itself, bro, it's generally about to bring a tear to my eye. All right, let's move on to Grok to really like fix the fact that it's backwards. Because last video, you guys said Grok and ChatGPT are kind of similar, but Grok is a bit worse, so you need to give it simpler prompts. Before we get deeper into this video, we are sponsored by the amazing Love Art AI, and it just added Nano Banana Pro. Now I get why people are hyping it up so much, because Nano Banana Pro isn't just pretty images, it's smarter visuals, clean multilingual text inside
This is very. It doesn't like make like those smooth edges on people. It makes it realistic. It makes it feel like
the image, and it can keep
like it understands the smooth like those camera things. They're not gonna make it look better.
character consistency for up to 5 people. Plus you can mix a bunch of references and keep the style very coherent. But the real difference is Love Art turns the result into an actual design file on an infinite canvas. Just watch this. I can generate one image, then I use the touch edit, which I just control click right here and just say change this color, and it only edits that part while keeping the whole composition intact. And with edit elements, it auto splits everything into layers, background, objects, text, so you're not re-rolling the whole image every time. You can just edit. Also, there's a flash sale right now, up to 50% off and up to 365 days of unlimited 0 credit access to Nano Banana Pro. If you want a Pro Smart, you pro on Love Art, link in the description. Anyways, back to the vid. Alright, we are at Grok and we're just gonna give it the file that we just created with ChatGPT. Alright, so I'm just telling Grok to build upon the Fortnite clone that ChatGPT already made, and when I press W, it starts going towards me rather than away. So I told it to fix that. And also, I don't like how it loses health even when no enemies are touching
wait. How do I? No, I need those three. Bro, where's my -3? This. No, please. Yes, come on.
To me, basically fixed those three things, and our base model is completely polished, and it is on expert mode, so it should cook up here. Now Grok, you only have 40 minutes pretty much, so ideally I would like to get this done in 10 minutes, but this timer doesn't really matter, honestly. Using all these AIs are probably going to take up to like 3 hours, so we're just going to see how much it could get done in under 1 hour. I'm going to stop when we have a full playable Fortnite, bro. These 6 AIs will cook in this video. You know what else is cooking? You smashing that like button right now.
Shutting up and just I don't know.
So we could get to 10k likes in 24 hours. I will literally give away a PC. Also hit that hype button so we can go #1 in America. We've been going crazy with the hype buttons. Only mobile users can hit the hype button, by the way. So yeah, and also subscribe, bro. We've been going crazy. So if we could hit 100k in the next 7 days before 2026, that would just make me cry, bro. Grown man tears. All right, Grok just finished, so let's paste this bad boy and let's play it. And okay, nothing looks out the ordinary so far. It actually built upon it, so let's play and let's see if it did what we it did what we asked. Yes, we could shoot the things out of existence, and we don't lose health. Grok, you cooked. Oh snap! Oh my god! Yo, bro, I'm facing underway, and I have no ammo. All right. Oh wait, press B to go into build mode. Yo, we could build, guys. Yo, we're building. I'm Prime Ninja. I just built upon him. He can't even touch me. So we can build stairs and this thing, and then 3 is stairs. Okay. Yo, I am so proud of Grok right now. It really fixed the errors. We have a Fortnite clone on our hands right now. We're building, we're shooting, killing enemies. Oh my god, I'm actually having fun playing this freaking Grok ChatGPT clone of Fortnite. So since Grok kind of just ironed out the errors, it's now time for Perplexity's turn. So it's my first time using Perplexity, but we're just gonna try it out. But I don't know the string to Perplexity, but I'm just gonna tell it to make this Fortnite clone a bit better and to make the UI more Fortnite-like. So that's not a super hard task. So I'm just gonna tell it to give me a better prompt to give to itself. Dang, it read that file fast, like immediately. I did not know Perplexity was this fast. It already gave me my prompt, so all right, let's just use it. And let's use the lab feature, because it seems like that's my bad, I'm back. I had to log in as a student so I could use this feature, which is labs, to make projects from scratch. And it's coding. Perplexity is actually coding. I did not expect this for some reason. Also, guys, let me know if Perplexity is like its own AI, or is it like a wrapper? It's usually just using an API and then routing the response to it. Either way, I like Perplexity and its UI. It's very easy to use. Let's see if it's powerful though. I didn't give it a crazy task, you know what I mean? I just want the UI to look a bit better. All right, Perplexity just finished. And here's the Fortnite clone. So let's press play. And we were eliminated. So it definitely messed up on something. Okay. All right. So here it is. And I was immediately eliminated. Bro, what is even going on in the background? The UI definitely looks more Fortnite-esque though. That's something I can say. But what is going on? Perplexity. I know Perplexity is probably not meant for what we just used it for, but bro, this is kind of crazy. Perplexity, we're gonna have to skip you, okay? But this is probably a good AI to use for like students though. All right, Perplexity did kind of just fail us, but we do have DeepSeek, and we're gonna use DeepThink. So let's give DeepSeek the same exact prompt that we gave Perplexity. So let's give DeepSeek what Perplexity should have done, and let's just tell it to make the UI better. So we're just gonna paste the exact same prompt into here. I've used DeepSeek a couple times, and bro, it cooked up so many projects for me in the past, so I know it's good. Since I'm on like my school Wi-Fi, I literally can't use DeepSeek without a VPN. So DeepSeek is low-key on half its power level right now in terms of quickness because of the VPN. And if it does mess up, it will have 2 more chances. The only reason we had to skip Perplexity is because, let's be honest, it was not improving after that.
Probably the weirdest part about running Chamberlain Coffee is that... One second. It's...
Yeah, I'm just gonna come back when DeepSeek is done. This thing is taking a while, bro. Holy moly, I never would have thought I would have finished. All right, let's copy this code and let's see what DeepSeek cooked us. All right, The UI looks better. Fortnite clone. Let's press play. Oh my god. DeepSeek, bro. DeepSeek. Yo, the enemies actually look like people too. There's trees. Look, I can even see my mats at the bottom right, bro. Yo, DeepSeek cooked this up. All right, let's start building though, because these guys are getting close to me, bro. We have to build a stair so they can't get to me. All right, R to rotate. Rotate, rotate, rotate. We have to build our stairs. All right, stairs. Why did I just glitch through my own stairs? So this guy's not dying. He's tanking all my bullets. He might be Walter from Breaking Bad, bro. He's tanking all my bullets. But bro, look how beautiful, look how much better this looks. And this is DeepSeek. So the walls work though. Like I can't go through the walls, but I can go through my stairs. You can go through everything. This guy's like in the Matrix or something. Anyways, this was an amazing rendition by DeepSeek. Oh my god. And the timer for 1 hour just completed.
Bro, you still can like walk on those.
It too. Right now, let's pass this to Claude, which I think will just freaking transform this thing on a basic level in terms of like all the bugs and everything. This is gonna be a different game after we put it through Claude. No glaze. All right, we have Claude Opus 4.5 here. So here's the basic prompt I'm about to give Claude, which is just to make my Fortnite clone all around better and use any libraries or method it wants. So I'm curious to see what's about to do here. And I just listed the errors I currently have, like when I phase through my stairs, when I place it, the mini map not showing the location correctly, and the enemy and wave system, which needs a little bit of polishing. And I also just threw in there to make it look aesthetically more like Fortnite. And I want my player and the enemies to look more humanoid. So let's tell it to make this prompt better. Oh my god. It just skipped making the prompt better. It just went straight to coding, bro. What the heck? So I guess I'll just come back when Claude is done, because guys, you don't even want to sit through that. Alright, surprisingly only took 10 minutes to code all that, but here it is. Alright, Battle Royale. So let's play. I like the UI. Play game. Yo, what the heck? Why is the things black? Okay, the things have health bars, bro. What the heck? This is fire. And why are the enemies so much smaller? Enemy eliminated on the side too. All right, now we're in wave 2. Guys, I cannot describe to you how fire this is. Okay, wave 2, there's a lot of guys. But let's try to build. Can I even test this out? And let's do our stairs, which is this. And it looks more Fortnite-esque. Yes, our stairs work. Our stairs work, guys. Let's freaking go. Let's do a little trick shot. Hold on. Now I'm feeling a little trick shotty. Jump off. Ooh. Oh, I have no ammo. The mini map works as well, even tells us where the enemies are. It's a little dark, but that's fine, honestly. I like how the legs are a little animated. It's like animated. Everything is more humanoid. And that's what Claude is really good at doing. It's good at just doing the basic things really well. It's like a really good version of ChatGPT that can code better. He even added the health bar stuff that I didn't even ask it for. So I guess all that's left to do is lob it to Gemini Studio to finish this game up. There's no errors in this that I can see so far. And like, I just want it to visually look way better than this. And I think Gemini can take it there. So we are in Google AI Studio with Gemini 3 Pro. So I'm going to give Gemini a really nice prompt here to basically just improve this Fortnite clone with better aesthetics overall and make it more adjacent to Fortnite in its prime. I'm talking like season 5 Fortnite, season 7. And I want a reload button. And I just wanted to make things more vibrant and possibly give it better graphics as well. Gemini 3 Pro, please cook for me. We need Gemini to just take it there for us, bro. So far I've been recording this video for like 2 hours, so we're really gonna see. It cooked so well in the last video and it did it so fast, so I'm not even expecting it to like take a long time here. And usually what Gemini is about to do is make a React app, which is basically just an upscaled version of JavaScript and HTML that uses TypeScript. But Gemini also hit that like button already, and they subscribed to the channel because they just want to see Tef hit 100k subs. So if you have not subscribed yet, I will be coming after you. Yeah. All right. So Gemini is already coding. So I'm just going to come back to when it's done and we will test this bad boy out. Oh my goodness. This is giving me a headache. All right. Let's reload the app and put it in full screen. For some reason, the camera angle is like really bad. I'm going to tell Gemini to fix this. Like I can't even see what's going on, bro. So let's finally run this back and let's see if it's better. All right. Full screen and play. All right. This is better. Oh, whoa. Why did that actually scare me? All right. Our AR works. This is fine. Don't get me wrong. I kind of like what Claude did better. There's no health bars. You know what I mean? So all I did just now was use Gemini's last prompt just to add the health bars to the zombies because I personally just liked how it looked. This is like a semi-playable, like this. You can probably put this on Steam and make money. Let's try building as well. Okay, the wall. And our stairs, oh my gosh, that zombie is about to kill me. No, I like the aesthetics of Gemini, but I also like the playability and the animation that Claude did. This video is so dumb, bro. Oh my gosh.
Vibe Coding 101 Part 3.
Nah, Claude won. I'm just a Gemini glazer. Spend 24 hours in the forest? Damn. I'm gonna eat my ramen and I'm finishing this video.
In the next 24 hours,
I might end video here. Why not? Bye and have a nice, jolly day and a happy new year. Because I'm gonna keep streaming until the end of this year and the start of the next one, 2026. And we're also gonna stream every day for the World Cup. We're gonna watch matches because they're gonna stream for free, and of course I'm gonna show my face in 2020.